Hello everybody, it's November 15th, 2013. This is, I put a extra fan on my collector and trying to keep my temperature down to about 115, 116. The fan I have on it, which is a pusher in the bottom down here. It's 110 cubic feet a minute fan, and it's not quite enough to keep the temperature down inside the collector. So I put my, I got a variable speed 250 cubic inch a minute fan, and I've got it turned down to where my output on this, I put a little extension on it to smooth out the air. My output is right around 115, 116 and holding right now, but the temperature's still climbing in the collector, and solar noon's about an hour away. So here's the temperature and the airspeed right now. It's about 12.5 miles an hour, and that's a good average. It goes anywhere from 13 and a quarter miles an hour down to about right at 12 right now. So, and inside the collector, I have a thermocouple inside the collector at the snap switch, and that is at right now that's at 140 inside the collector, and that's right at the snap switch, which is located right over the center stack of cans. It's not contacting any metal. It's just kind of right over the center stack of cans. And when we get to solar noon, I'll readjust it and see what airspeed I'm at. Hello again. It's about quarter to 12. Solar noon's at 12:26. So the collector's been heating up. It's now putting out 120 degrees at 12.86 miles an hour. And let's see. Ambient temperature is 48 degrees at the airport. It's about 5 miles from here. And inside the collector, it's running at 145.2. It's been rising slowly. So far, I think I'm gonna increase the fan speed and see if I can get the collector back down to about a 115 input or output. That's it. I got the temperature back down to 116, and the speed, I increased the speed up to 13, almost 13.5 miles an hour, and the inside the collector, the temperature dropped to from 145 to 142. I'm about a half hour away from solar noon, but I might get a little shade off my trees, so I'll take this while I got a high temperature. We'll see what happens in half an hour here. It's about 12:15 now. 12:26 is solar noon. I'm starting to get my neighbor's trees are starting to block my collector. You can see the shadow of the spruce tree back behind me. So I got a temperature right now about 137 inside the collector, and I'm running about 116 coming out the outlet at about 13.25 miles an hour. I'm going to try and bring the collector temperature, inside the collector temperature, down to about 115 and see what kind of speed I get out of it. Anyways, Okay, I'm at right at about 15 miles an hour. The highest speed I can get by moving the anemometer around is about 16 and a quarter near the top of the pipe, and down to about 14 and a half near the bottom. And it's at 106 degrees, and the temperature inside the collector is going down now, but it's also getting more shaded by that spruce tree. So let's see if I can get the inside the collector down to about 115, and see if I can hold it there. All right, I'm at 15.41 miles an hour. It's 97 degrees coming out of the collector, and my inside the collector is down to 118 now, and I'm getting shade off of the neighbor's tree, so that's increasing, and that's dropping the temperature too. So it's just past solar noon, and I guess that's it for the test. Okay, I disconnected the fan, the extra fan I put on there to get the speed up, and collector went back up from 118 to it's at 121 now. It was up to about 125, and I'll show you how much shade I got on my collector real quick here. So you can see the shade on my collector. It's almost completely covered, but it'll still run. I kind of like running just a single fan, even though I get my temperature inside the house is up to 71, and my setback on the thermostat is 65. So, and when the collector started, it was about 68 in the house, and I get enough out of my single fan that it runs good. It'll run with it shaded like this for a while, and also runs through the clouds good too.